Welcome! Today I'm showing how to customize volume panel styles into a Oppo Find X3 Lite. First of all, need to open your Play Store and find volume styles application, this one. I'm already installed this application, so click open. And now need to choose your volume styles, maybe like Android 12. Okay, choosing, and then in the top right corner we got start button. Click it, and now need to give permission for this application. Click here, and one more time in settings. Volume styles, turn on, click OK. And now when we see stop button in the top right corner, we got our new volume styles like Android 12 on Oppo Find X3 Lite. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.